on merry-go. My niggas get it on merry-go. You know how we living, we keeping it crippin'. If you went out with it, you gotta go. I keep a heat, so I gotta blow. I'm from the streets, you gotta know. 254, 253rd, 252nd.
It's your boy Pook Jones, man. We outside. We bringing you number fly car content. Hit the button, subscribe to the channel. Holla at your boy. Here go my front, what you call? You know what I'm saying? A whole new front piece. Yeah, did. Got him ready to go. And my dash pad. Ready to put on. It's my fourth video. Nigga talking about the headliner, nigga. When you gonna do it? Shit, when that money get right, nigga. All kind of shit be coming up. Every time a nigga try to get something going, you feel me? Something coming up. Something coming up, man. Best believe I be trying. I'm hustling like a motherfucker. Oh yeah, I got the whatchamacallit coming too, the black alternator. I got the new black alternator coming. But I'm finna switch all this shit. Finna get the braided hoses, black. You know what I'm saying? Take care of that shit. Go with the mechanical fuel pump on here. New one of those, MSD, get that bomb ass, distributor. You know what I'm saying? New one of those. All this coming on. All this coming on. See, all this shit gotta get mounted right here. All this shit right here. You see what I'm saying? You gotta get mounted right. I'm pulling all this off. All this off. Then I'm getting the whatchamacallit anyway. New grill with the fog lights to go right here. So go get this shit hit, remote it, have the fog lights to come right here on the Mustang. They be dope as shit, nigga. They be dope as shit. Then when I hit y'all with this paint though, yes sir. With this paint, nigga, on these rims, this motherfucker's gonna switch up on your ass. Yep, it's gonna switch up. He looking rough right now, but watch when I hit him with that paint, nigga, in that rim. It's gonna switch the fuck up. Watch. Mark my word, buddy. And the beat gonna be something decent. 4x9. You gotta go 4x9 in the back deck. That's his main though. 4x9 in the back deck. Probably do some highs and mids right here. Some highs in the front, and I gotta get that center console done. Man, I get that center console with the iPad right there in the middle. You feel me? So I'll come with that the whole center console. Bam, 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 bam. All this shit mounted up, right? Might remove that shit, I don't know. It's coming out, I got the whatchamacallit coming. iPad gonna sit right here. The whole whatchamacallit center console going all the way back. With the lights and shit. You know how they be doing it down there in Florida, how them niggas be lighting their cars up on the inside? That's what I gotta put some light up in this one. I gotta put some light up in here. You know what I'm saying? Some light up in this motherfucker. Put the front piece on here. These right here, these could be re-chromed, but they go right here. They go right here. No, they don't. That might be the wrong one. Anyway, they sit up in there. Gotta re-chrome now. Yep, got that timing chain cover off. Now I gotta replace this, you see this Ecentric? See where it broke right here? Boom, 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 boom. That's where that broke at right there. So I gotta replace that. And while I'm doing that, I'm finna replace this chain. See that slack in there? See that play in there? So I gotta replace this whole chain, and this whole timing chain, and all that shit slide right off. Boom. So, well, that's should be here in a couple days, but I'm gonna deal with this right here. I'm gonna get rid of all this spaghetti right here. You know what I'm saying? Right after that, what am I gonna get? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get the black. I want a black distributor, and I'm finna get an all black alternator. Gonna put a black alternator on there, and I got the my serpentine right here. So I'm gonna come with that now, and I put that back on there. So my parts will be here Tuesday, so I should be good next weekend. We should be good. It don't take no about an hour to even put this back together, but yep. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and change this gasket right here. Even though they all new, bro, I'm gonna put some new ones on there. They were new, but it's been sitting for about a couple years. So you know. Oh yeah, so I'm finna hit all this, paint all that over again. I'm finna dress this engine up, man. It's gonna look real nice. I need all these wires out the way. No wires, minimal wires, everything. You're not finna see all that, bro. And I'm gonna run these. I'm gonna come with these new, spark plug cables. And finna get rid of this old school ass, even though I like to see my gas. Finna get rid of this. All this finna be gone. New wire set, new distributor. Right after that, what I'm gonna do? I'm about to order these rims. I'm finna order these rims, bro. I'm finna order these rims. But I'm gonna wait until I come out the paint. Wait until I come out the paint before I put them on. You know what I'm saying? Wait till I come out the paint before I put them babies on. You know what I'm saying? But got the new front, got the dash pad. Serpentine, yeah, it's gonna be right. Cookie. What's up, player? So yeah, I got that front piece to go up in there. I'm finna take all this off. Finna hit all that, get the new grill with the fog lights. Finna get a new harmonic balancer. I already got the new fuel pump right here. But anyway, the engine was running good, but when this broke on me, I had to use an electronic fuel pump. I couldn't use my mechanical fuel pump no more. So I've been driving this with a electrical fuel pump. And it makes too much noise for me. You can hear that motherfucker. So I had to get back. I had to figure out why my mechanical fuel pump wasn't working no more. So, and then when I took the timing chain off, I figured it out. Sucker broke. This piece right here, this how it used to be. This piece was right here, boom. It was on there like that. This how it was supposed to be. And when this turns, it hits the fuel pump. And when that broke, wasn't working no more. So I was riding this sucker with the electrical fuel pump, and I want my mechanical fuel pump back. So that's the project. So while I got this taken apart, I'm doing my water pump, painting my water pump black. See this long ass hose right here? See how long that is? It's long for no reason. See, I'm finna shorten this. I'm finna shorten this hose right here. I'm finna shorten that. Yeah, I like this black better than that chrome though. And I'm finna paint this black probably. But I'm gonna have chrome serpentine, what you call. So serpentine pieces on here. But yeah, man. With the black alternator, I want everything black in here. And then I'm finna come with the whole new brake system. But until I do, I'm painting that master cylinder and that brake booster. Painting all that black. Painting all that black. Yep. Yep. Man, it's my little workshop. It's my little workshop right here. I got every tool. I got everything you need, player. I'm doing this right here. I'm telling you, you better be glad this motherfucker ain't big enough to paint. I have a paint booth in this bitch. Definitely finna get this motherfucker done. Engine. Oh, that shit getting done right here. Suspension and some more shit. Right here in this itty bitty storage, nigga. For sure. You know what I'm saying? We out.